Toddlerhood is the stage of immense growth. Little ones learn to crawl, walk, communicate, and understand orders and requests. The more effective their communication and social skills, the better their chances of learning things quickly. Social skills allow children to have more meaningful and rewarding interactions. What they need from their parents is some encouragement and inspiration to allow healthy habits and skills to set in. In this exceptionally researched and relatable guide, parents can find answers to questions that have been bothering them for quite some time. How to raise sensible and compassionate toddlers, how to develop social skills, how to boost their self-esteem and self-worth, how to raise them to become independent and resilient. Luckily, Franks answers them all with the help of his 7 proven strategies to build quality social skills, raise self-confidence, and promote accelerated learning so that children can have a promising future ahead. Here's a sneak peek of what parents can expect to find inside. Why empathy makes learning social skills easier. How teaching basic manners can be life-changing for tots. Why kids are playing parallel instead of collaboratively. How expression is the key to building excellent social skills. What role praise and appreciation plays. Why it's imperative to fuel their passions and dreams. How role-playing situations and emotions can help developing social skills. Getting started with the right strategies makes a huge difference in how children adapt and learn. The right foundation during these early stages of cognitive and emotional development can be a great help for parents to help them raise disciplined, well-mannered, and obedient kids with great social and emotional skills.